हांगा लाभला म्हणटकीर आमच्या खातीर खूब व्हडले गोश्ट, कित्याक आय कॅम्प सगळ्यां खातीर इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. आय फील म्हयन्यान एकदां तरी सगळे कडेन आय कॅम्प जावपाक जाय, सो दॅट आमचो जो आय चॅकअपाचो रुटीन आसा तो आमी फॉलो करपाक जाय. दुसरी गजाल म्हणटा की कशें जाता की आयज म्हणटा की आमकां मातशें कमी दिसपाक लागलें की आमी तो टॉपीक इग्नोर करता. बट तो इग्नोर करपाक जायना, रेगुलर चॅकअप्स करपाक जाय. बट आमच्या ह्या बिजी शेड्युलान सगळीं जाणां कामाक वता, बिझनस ओरिएंटेड आसा, सो आपल्या हेल्थाचेर एक लक्ष घालपाक ती विसारता. सो JCI मार्फत आमी सदांच ट्राय करता की आमी मेडिकल हेल्थ चॅकअप, नो मॅटर इट इज एलोपॅथीक, होमिओपॅथीक, आयुर्वेदीक एंड इवन आय चॅकअप, ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प्स आमी करीत रावता. सो अशें सगळ्यांनी एक कलेक्टिवली ऑर्गनायज केलें म्हणटकीर आमी सोसायटी खातीर सुद्दां कितें करपाक शकता.
Eye is the most important thing, eyesight, for every one of us. I am grateful to JCI, Mauvin President Anvita Gogle, and all her colleagues for organizing this eye camp. Eyes, if you just close your eyes for a second, you know what is the meaning of living in darkness. So to dispel darkness, we have to see that our eye is in good health. So these checkups help sometimes people to realize whether they are facing any ailment. People sometimes ignore the different ailments because they are so busy doing other things. But this is something which one has to pay attention. Therefore, I compliment the JCs for organizing this particular program and helping the poor people to get facilities.
Sir, in Dhabolim constituency, many projects have been taken up, like Joggers Park, Warden Lake Phase 2. Any updates on that, sir? Anything?
Things are coming up. That is in the advanced stage. A brand new Panchayat Ghar is coming up in Bogmalo, and I think Marida Meshta was the secretary that time in Bogmalo when she pushed it very hard. So it's becoming a reality now. Same way, I want to say in this taluka, I have taken keen interest to see that a new Panchayat Ghar comes up in Sankwal. That also we are shortly supposed to lay the foundation stone, and even that will become a reality.